welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be your favorite collection, budget friendly collections. So we are going to have different varieties of saris in the same video. All very beautiful collections. We have some cotton linen with mirror works. We have some mixed cotton variety. We have some Seco cottons. All different varieties. I'll tell you about the material when I show you the saris. All the saris are going to be simple hand wash maintenance saris. Before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. Very nice Banarasi silk cotton sari. In that, it's a completely weaved pattern. A very beautiful design. Both the sides meenakari work in the border, and throughout the body, it's a jute work design running along the body. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is a jacquard blouse again, and the price of the sari is 650. In the same pattern, it's a very pretty indigo blue shade with meenakari work in the borders. This is how the body looks. A lovely indigo shade. The next color in the same pattern is a nice maroon. These saris are not too transparent. If you pleat it, it will not be transparent at all. A lovely maroon. And the next color is a nice peacock blue, and throughout jute work in the body. And the price of the sari is 650. In the same Banarasi silk cotton sari, this is a nice magenta color with a contrast border on both the sides, all thread weave, and throughout the body a beautiful box pattern weaving running along the body. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 650. In the same pattern, it's a nice peacock green shade. Lovely design. These saris look really grand for this price. Very, very budget friendly. Beautiful sari, and the price of the sari is 650. The next is going to be violet. A nice violet. A rich sari. Beautiful weaving, all thread weaving running throughout the body, and the blouse is also so rich. And the next is a very beautiful maroon color. This is the body, and the price of the sari is 650. It's a beautiful mustard color Seco sari. Seco saris means a blend of silk and cotton, more of a cotton feel. Very beautiful collection. Both the sides we have a copper zari border. You could see a closer look of the border. It's very beautifully done, and throughout the body we have buttas running along the body. And the pallu of the sari is this. It's a very soft material, and the blouse is a running blouse for this sari, and the price of the sari is 690. In the same pattern, it's a nice grey color with copper zari. It's more of a copper thread. It's not even zari, it's a copper thread. So looks really neat and elegant, not transparent. Very, very beautiful one. The next is a very pretty black with copper thread. Beautiful sari. This is the body of the sari. Lovely design. The next is going to be a light fawn shade with copper. Very, very beautiful one. Lovely pattern. And the price of the sari is 690. In the same pattern, it's a very lovely maroon with copper. It looks more like a monotone shade. Very, very beautiful design. Lovely pattern. So this is how the sari looks. This is the sari, and the price of the sari is 690. The next color is going to be a very pretty green with copper thread. These colors look real, makes the sari look very elegant. Very beautiful green with copper. The next is going to be reddish maroon with copper. Very, very beautiful again. Lovely shade. So this is how the sari looks. Beautiful reddish maroon. The next is going to be a nice peacock green. This is how it looks. Nice peacock green with again a copper. Very beautiful dark green Seco cotton sari. See, it's a mixed cotton sari with a copper thread weave on both the sides, and throughout the body we have small buttas running along the body. And the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu in copper, and the blouse is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 690. In the same pattern, it's a nice peacock blue with copper thread weave with copper buttas running throughout the body. The sari will look really simple and elegant, perfect for gifting. The saris will look really nice when you gift also. It's a very good option for gifting. The next is going to be a nice navy blue with copper thread weave with copper buttas running throughout the body. The next shade is a magenta with copper. Nice design, lovely color combo. The next is going to be a nice grey with copper thread work. This is how it looks. Nice sari. Next is going to be dark maroon, nice dark maroon with copper thread work with buttas. This is how it looks. Next is going to be a lovely black, very pretty black, nice black with copper thread work. Lovely shade, nice work. Next is going to be dark peacock blue. This is how it looks. And the next is going to be a reddish maroon with copper thread work. This is how it looks. And the price of the sari is 690. A nice cotton linen sari with a nice mirror work in it. Both the sides we have silver zari, and throughout the body a beautiful mirror work running along the sari. And this is the pallu with mirror work again, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 700. In the same mirror work pattern, this is a light green, pista green shade with small mirror works running throughout the body, and we have tassels. So this is how the body looks. Price of the sari is 700. The next is going to be a nice light yellow, very pretty yellow. So this is how the sari looks. The next color is baby pink, lovely baby pink with small mirror works. This is how the sari looks. The next is a light sandal with mirror work again. A nice Chanderi mixed cotton variety sari with silver zari on both the sides of the sari with nice embroidery running along the body. Very beautiful design, simple elegant design. And the pallu of the sari is a running pallu with a plain blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 660. Nice lovely orange color in the mixed cotton variety with silver zari on both the sides with nice embroidery running throughout the body. A classy design. These are all very budget friendly and very neat and elegant saris for office wear and all. The next color is a parrot green. Looks really class. This is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 660. The next color in the same pattern is a pink, a slightly darker baby pink with silver zari and embroidery running throughout the body. This is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 660. In the same type of pattern, embroidery pattern, it's slightly a different design. Silver embroidery running throughout the body. This is dark mustard. This is how the sari looks. The next color in this pattern is a green, peacock green, dark peacock green with silver zari and silver embroideries running along the body. So this is how the sari looks, and the price of the sari is 660. The next in the same pattern is a maroon, nice maroon with silver zari. This is how it looks. And the next shade in the same pattern is a lovely beetroot shade or a dark wine shade with a very nice silver embroidery. If you pair it up with some silver blouse, it will look really class. And the price of the sari is 660. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.